So today, guys, we're gonna do a little recap. We're gonna talk about the Tomei products when we put them on the Supras, but we just kind of wanted to talk about that product. We've been selling it for quite some time. Tomei has actually made some adjustments on the Dual. There was a bracket that was a little short earlier on in the beginning, and they have actually rectified that. And the reason we're doing it, it's like the Tomei is one of our #1 selling exhausts for the Supra. The single exit exhaust is a really great price point piece. The dual exit system is actually also a very good price point piece. And then these are actually made out of titanium as well. So other products in the marketplace have actually shifted quite a bit and raised prices. Tomei has still held their price. I don't think it's gonna raise anytime soon, but I kind of want to just give you some sound clips and go over the product again and show you some of the stuff way back in the day. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So we'll see you guys at the end. The Supra makes a lot of sounds, like you guys modify the downpipes already. And the truth is, it's a weight savings thing. So going with a full titanium system like the Tomei is gonna bring you added weight savings to the car. All right, guys, hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Like I said, it was just a brief recap of something that happened in the past and kind of just to help kind of show that the Tomei products are still really good products. We're stocking these all the time. They usually ship the same day when you order on our website. So we just want to thank you guys for supporting us in the supermarket. And if there's any other videos you want to see or recaps on something that happened a long time ago, shoot us a message below and we'll get to it for you guys. So thanks for watching the videos, guys. I really appreciate all you guys' support, and we'll see you guys on the next video.